Hello, Namaskara. Welcome you all to this Finance Chapter YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Maria, Financial Wellness Specialist. Today I'm discussing a very important topic where you have to understand which are the important factors which is affecting your health insurance premium. Many people will take a health insurance and after some years they will come and complain saying that my health insurance premium is increasing day by day. Why? What is the reason? So if you could able to understand before taking that, it will solve a lot of your problems and it will help you to safeguard your existing wealth and make sure that you can prepare for the future premium as well, because this should be your expenses. Okay, this is an investment which you are making on your own health and protecting your existing wealth. Okay, so that is the reason. Understand these are the important factors which you have to make sure you know about it and you will prepare for that. The first one, the age. Depend upon your age, your premium is increasing. If you are a young age boy or girl, like you may be less than 25, of course you are getting huge coverage at lesser premium because there is no much health issues and all. So if you are 50 plus or like 60 plus, definitely the premium will be more. The second factor, the family size. So are you going for a 2 people or like 4 people or like 6 members insurance plan? It depends upon the family size. Then because the number of people are increasing in one plan, then definitely the premium is also increasing. If at all you are thinking to take one entire insurance for grandfather, mother, sons, daughter and their children, it is not a good advice. So please make sure that you father, mother and children will be there in one policy so that you can take additional policy for parents, because the premium is depends upon the eldest member of the family. The third important thing, the lifestyle. What is your lifestyle? What is your habits? Like it may be like smoking, drinking or like alcoholism or like many other issues. If you have, please make sure that you are mentioning or you are disclosing those issues to the company before taking the health insurance. Otherwise, there are maximum chances are there where if they come to know any illnesses, future illness or like hospitalization happen because of the habits which you are having, they may reject your claim as well. The next important factor which you have to remember, that is what type of plan you are taking. Is it an individual plan? Is it a multi-individual plan? Or is it a floater plan? If it is individual, of course it is for one person and the premium is less. And if it is floater, then of course it is for number of people in one policy, the premium will be more. Take a chance of taking multi-individual insurance in one plan. It is a floater plan, but under that plan, it is covered as a multi-individual. That means each family member is having a same coverage. Not only that, all the benefits, including no claim bonus or including other benefits like restoration benefit, health checkup benefits, or like many other various aspects which will cover for each and every individual separately. So that is called as a multi-individual. And you may be paying like a little premium here and there, 2 or 3,000 rupees is additional premium, but of course it is a best plan where each individual is having a separate coverage. Apart from that, the location where you are located, that is also decide your premium. If you take a metropolitan cities, of course the cost of the Medicare or the hospitalization is definitely high. So when it considered the place which you are locating, the premium is also high. There are many companies are offering for all the places the same premium. So please ask them before taking any health insurance, is it a zone based premium or is it same for everyone? If you are taking a zone based premium, maybe if you are admitting any of the hospitals in a metropolitan cities, there is a chances that you have to pay the additional premium which is applicable to that location. So please understand these things before taking any health insurance. Next important aspect you have to remember that is impacting your premium, that is government regulation. Now we are paying 18% GST for the health insurance premium what we are giving to them. Now imagine the government has increased the GST, then of course your premium is also increasing. Apart from that, the health history what you are having, Imagine there are some critical illnesses, or like maybe you are taking a medication for some of the diseases, then make sure that definitely the premium will be increased. Maybe you have to take some of the riders where that will impact your premium as well. But my advice to you, please disclose all the medical history which you are having at present. Otherwise, it may impact you later and you have to end up paying, either losing out the claim or end up closing the policy if they come to know that if there is any chronic illness diseases if you had and you have not disclosed that. Next important factor which impact your premium, that is co-payment and deductible. What type of plan you are having? Is there any co-payment? Normally for senior citizen plans and all above 60, if you take any plan, there will be a co-payment, that is 10% or 20%. There are many companies which came up with no co-payment option as well. Please explore that, do research and find out which is the best suitable plan for you, which is giving maximum benefit for the premium which you are paying. The next important aspect, the inflation. Inflation is also costing you additional premium. Imagine the general inflation which we are talking every day, that is 7 to 8%. When it comes to medical inflation, it is 12 to 13% or 14%. Imagine every day by day, the cost of the medical expenses is increasing. So of course, the companies are also increasing their premium based on the medical inflation. Next important aspect which is impacting your premium, that is coverage amount. If you are taking less coverage, then definitely the premium will be less. When you are taking huge coverage, higher coverage, then the premium will be more. But think of many times even the 3 lakh premium is same as for 7 lakh or 5 lakh premium. So that is the reason, don't depend upon only the company which you have taken at present. Please explore the different options which different companies are offering, which is having a very good service as well as the claim ratio. So by knowing all these things, I hope you will get a best insurance plan, that is health insurance plan, which will help you to safeguard your existing wealth. Not only that, you can take a best medicine or like best treatment if there is any medical emergencies. So if you have any doubts regarding to that, you can put it in the comment section so that I will answer all of your doubts. Along with that, if you wanted to get a comparative analysis or comparative quote from different various companies and do a research a bit, then you can contact us, contact our team. We will give you the best solution for your required needs. Please make sure that you will take a right insurance so that you can safeguard your hard-earned money. Bye-bye, take care. Dr. Maria here, your financial wellness specialist. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share it to your loved one so that like you, they also become a financially literate and they also have to safeguard their money, which will help you a lot. Thank you so much.